buddy. Achoo. He thinks it's so funny. I think he's laughing himself into a stupor.
Makes her money though. I'm sorry, no work talking Maya, look this way a second.
Achoo. What do you think of that sneezing, buddy? That's funny, huh? You think that's funny? You think that's funny? He's like, okay, it's kind of getting old now. Is it getting old, buddy? Maybe try something new. Maybe you do some coughing.
Here's to our first It's funny how you laugh so, like when you're like sick. You're like,
So funny. Okay, we should probably take a break now.